Now, student, our question number 3 of chapter 4 exercise 4.3 is draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they have. Now, here we have to draw a diagram where there will be two angles with one common point. Now, let us draw a diagram. First, we will draw one angle and its name is A, B and C. Now for another angle, we will draw it like the way that it will intersect this line BC. And the name of the angle is XYZ. Okay. Now this is our angle Y and Z. Here we have two angles. One is on B and another is on Y. Now point P is common here. Next is part B is 2 points in common. Okay. Okay. Next is part B is 2 points in common. For this we will draw one angle and it is A, B and C. Now we have to draw another angle which have two common points with this. So it will be like this angle. Okay. Now X, Y and Z. Now here are two angles and they have two common points. You can see one is on AB and another is on BC. Okay. So we have 2 points common on two angles. Now third is 3 points in common. Now here we have to draw two angles having 3 points common. For this our first angle is angle A, B, C. And we will draw our next angle like that. It is intersecting angle ABC from 3 points. Now we have two angles. This is one side and another side this. Now we have two angles. Angles, the name is X, Y and Z. Okay student. Now common points are P, Q and here R. These are our three common points. R. Now next is part D. 4 points in common. For this our first angle is this and name is A, B and C. Now we have to draw an angle which will intersect this angle ABC from 4 points. Now see student, we have angle XYZ that we can draw. Now here one side, another side is like this. Okay. Now 2 points on one side BA and other two on side BC. Let us give names. Okay. Now P, Q, R and at last it is S. Now student, we made two angles with 4 common points. Now next is one ray in common. For this our first angle is angle ABC. Now we have to draw another angle like that they have one common ray. For this we will draw a side from C. So it is CD. Here we made another angle like this BCD. Okay. For this we will draw a side from C and now This angle is like this, and BC ray is common in both the angles. One angle is ABC and other is PCD, where BC ray is common in both. This was our last question of exercise 4.3. Now let us move to next question. Okay.